It's almost like the feeling of anxiety in the back of your throat. It makes you feel uncomfortable. When a baby feels this, they will cry. It's a physical sensation that gradually increases at first, then becomes extreme. It can last for 2 or 3 days and then very slowly disappear. And then this will bring with it a gnawing pain in your epigastrium, which is located in the upper to middle region of your abdomen. The pain may disappear, but it is followed by a sensation of extreme weakness or faintness, which is experienced both in the stomach and generally throughout your body. Your circulation grows feeble and your heart action is rapid. Your respiration is shallow and possibly slow and irregular. If water is withheld, the torture will become unbearable. Constipation may be succeeded by diarrhea, but most often remains complete. Your expression is anxious and staring, and your eyes will become sunken and finally will become glassy. Corneal ulceration may be present, and your muscles will become soft and are reduced in size by more than 1/2. Your skin becomes pale and loose, and your secretions are altered and become inactive. And from the change in your secretion of perspiration, you will emit a peculiar smell and begin to acquire a clay-like color. Your feet and ankles may swell due to poor circulation, and the total volume of your blood is diminished, and anemia is extreme. Your body temperature begins to fall within the first days of onset, and will continue falling, so that a loss of 10 or more degrees below the normal body temperature occurs. Muscle action is no longer possible, and you'll experience dizziness and fainting upon raising your head, and your voice is lost, and gradually your nervous system succumbs to general prostration. You become unable to describe your condition or even express your needs. Victims have documented that they become so ravenous that all sense of taste is no longer present. And the unfortunate documentation states, on an occasion when tea was accidentally omitted from a kettle, dirty water was drunk without even recognizing the difference. What is this condition? You may be the next victim. You may have hallucinations, insomnia, and dreams that are often pictured with scenes of having plenty to eat. What is it? It is starvation. The ultimate effects of starvation are identical whether the process is gradual or rapid, and whether it occurs over days or years, and death results when the body has lost 6/10 of its weight. It may occur while the victim is in a stupor or a coma, or from cardiac failure, or possibly in convulsions. The number of people starving in the world has exceeded 1 billion. No one deserves to starve to death. You may be the next victim. Support an equal money system now, for all, from birth till death.